The cabin air filter in your 2018-2024 Jeep Wrangler JL is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Its job is to filter out dust, pollen, allergens, and pollutants, improving air quality inside the cabin and protecting your HVAC system. Replacing it regularly, every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually depending on driving conditions, ensures efficient airflow and prevents strain on the blower motor. A clogged filter can reduce HVAC performance and potentially lead to higher energy consumption. Key resources for this task include your Jeep's owner's manual and online forums like wranglerforum.com, which often discuss eco-friendly and reusable filter options. First, prepare by parking on a level surface and turning off the engine. Slide the passenger seat back fully and open the glove box. Depress the tabs on either side to lower the glove box completely. This reveals a rectangular panel. Remove the screws or clips securing this panel to access the filter housing. Pull out the old filter, noting the airflow direction arrow. Insert the new filter in the same orientation, ensuring a snug fit. Replace the panel and reassemble the glove box. Finally, start the engine, activate the HVAC on recirculate, and check for even airflow. Remember to vacuum the housing before installing the new filter to prevent debris from re-entering the cabin. Do not over-tighten any screws or clips. This process typically takes 10 to 20 minutes and costs $10 to $30 for parts.